Does title insurance cover easement disputes? Have you ever wondered how easements can impact your property ownership? Today, we will tackle the question of whether title insurance covers easement disputes. Easements are rights that allow someone to use a part of your property for specific purposes, like accessing utility lines or driveways. These can significantly affect how you use your property, especially in real estate investing. Title insurance typically provides coverage for easements, but the details can vary. Standard title insurance policies usually cover easements that are recorded in public property records. This means if an easement is properly documented and part of the official title history, you can expect protection against financial loss from disputes related to that easement. This is especially important if someone claims a right based on a recorded easement that you were unaware of when you purchased the property. However, it is essential to note that title insurance generally does not cover unrecorded easements. These are easements that exist informally, often based on verbal agreements or use without any documentation. Since these easements are not part of the public record, they may not show up during a title search. Therefore, standard title insurance policies often exclude protection against disputes arising from these unrecorded easements. In some situations, title insurance companies may require that easements be documented in writing, recorded, and clearly described in the source documents before they will insure them. If an easement is poorly documented or ambiguously worded, it can lead to disputes that may not be covered by your policy. This is why having well-prepared and recorded easement agreements is so important. For real estate investors, understanding these coverage limitations is vital. Title insurance can help identify existing recorded easements during the title search process. This allows investors to assess any restrictions or obligations tied to the property. If a dispute arises over a recorded easement, title insurance can provide legal defense and financial protection against losses. To further protect against boundary and easement disputes, investors might consider purchasing extended title insurance policies or endorsements that include survey coverage. These additional protections can cover issues like boundary line conflicts or unrecorded easements that standard policies might not cover. In summary, title insurance does cover easement disputes related to recorded and properly documented easements. This coverage offers legal and financial protection to property owners and lenders. However, it typically does not cover unrecorded or informal easements unless additional coverage is purchased. For those involved in real estate investing, title insurance is a helpful tool for managing risks associated with easements. It is always a good idea to carefully review your policy and consider endorsements to address any potential gaps in coverage.